Hello guys, welcome to our trading sessions, and we have already initiated our buy positions on the gold prices. And if you guys wanted to get the clear version of this trading plan, make sure that you guys check out our Telegram link on our bio guys, okay? And if you guys have any other questions that you guys wanted to ask related to trading, whether you're trading commodities, Forex, individual stocks, cryptocurrencies, you're welcome to let me know on the comments guys, and I'll be reading your questions. And definitely if you guys are interested in any other trading topics, you can tell me and I could discuss it with you guys, okay? Okay, silver market movement hasn't been that convincing, and I'm trying to wait for the right momentum to enter the trade. What else? Okay, dollar index. So what has been happening on the US dollar index? So after going such a strong rally coming out from the US dollar index, we actually have hit our price target at 107.78 at the last week market on Friday. And after hitting that high mark of 107, it has been weakening down, and that's why we are also seeing the possibility that the US dollar has already hit its climatic volume after such a long period guys, okay? So with that, I'll be happy to say that US dollar index could start weakening, and that's a possibility that this is showing the true strength coming out from US dollar, where the US dollar weaknesses appearing that could really help push up gold prices, silver prices, and definitely we are already seeing that other currency has been quite pressured against the US dollar, such as the New Zealand dollar, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, and this could be a time to shine, because based on this currency strength charts, we're actually looking that today US dollar is the weakest currency pair guys. And certainly coming out from the New Zealand dollar side, we have a big news coming, where from the New Zealand Bank, Reserve Bank of New Zealand has already decided to cut by 50 basis points, which is a very big thing happening on the market. And certainly with that, we are seeing that the New Zealand dollar has been going stronger for today. Even though we know that the New Zealand dollar has been quite weakening over the last few days, but certainly with the strength coming up right now, we could make use of it and try to make a trade out of it if you guys are a short-term trader. But from my point of view, New Zealand dollar could actually be forming up on that strong support around that low area right now, and we could actually be making some trades coming out of it. If you guys are interested in Forex, and if you guys are not interested, I suggest that you guys could take a look on it, because maybe there could be some good trading opportunities coming out from there. New Zealand dollar, US dollar. So what I'm actually looking at the market is very clear, guys. I know, yes, I've been pretty much bearish for most of the times because, like I said, we have already seen the strength coming out from the US dollar is pretty long, and certainly the market has actually been offering us a lot of chances to do shorts. But right now, if I'm looking at the other currency pairs other than the US dollar index, we are actually looking at the possibility that right now could be a good time for us to start buying back the other currency pairs against the New Zealand dollar. And why is that the case, guys? Because the other currency pairs has been quite weakened, and there's actually a certain chances that the New Zealand dollar could go stronger. And why is that the case? So this right now I'm opening on this daily time frame charts, and we just take a look back on the previous charts on this side of the trading side. So if you guys look back towards 2024, 2023, we are actually back towards its low level area around here, guys. So with that, we could actually be making a long trade. It's going to take a long time for this big swing to happen. Certainly, we are already moving in this sideways area over the last few days if you guys open up on this time frame. But if you guys open on a bigger time frame, certainly this downtrend momentum is still there. But we actually started to look at some possibility that the other currency pairs has actually been giving us a lot of good momentums. Every time we hit the low around here, it's always bounced back. Every time it hits the low, it's bounced back. Hit the low, bounce back. And this could be our chance to make this buy during the lows around here, especially based on seasonality. Until the end of this week, we could actually be seeing that the New Zealand dollar could be going strong. So that's a very good sign coming out from the market. So certainly, if you guys wanted to trade on this side, or even I would say almost any other currency pair that's against the new US dollar index, you could start to buy and put your stop losses just below the low of here, guys. So if you guys wanted to get this kind of analysis, make sure that you guys follow us so that you guys won't be missing out whenever we are doing our live streaming sessions. And we'll be discussing what is the most recent news, what is the most recent event, and what it could be impacting on the long term. And on the short run, what could we do it on our trades, guys? Okay, so if you guys wanted to find out more, make sure that you guys follow us, give us your likes, give us a thumbs up. It means a lot to us, your support, and share this video with your friends and family. And certainly, if you guys wanted to get something more than our analysis, you guys wanted to get our trading signals, you guys wanted to get our trading lessons, definitely you guys could also check out our profile. Click on that link so that you guys could find out more from us, and you can contact that link on that our profile. Okay, so thank you very much for guys for your support. It really means a lot knowing that you guys love what we have already been talking about and what we are discussing. And certainly I welcome you guys to join our discussions. And if you guys have any other questions, or if you guys are interested in certain topics, I'll be happy to open discussions with you guys. Just let me know on the comments, and I'll be happy to answer or discuss any concerns that you guys have on your trading side, guys. Okay, all right, so Ashraf, thank you very much, and let us see on the other side of the trades, because we have already released out our trading signals for tonight coming out from the US dollar, I mean from the gold market, and we have already started to do our trades, guys. Okay, and we have already entered a buy signal on the gold market. Certainly that has been a quite fruitful case, guys. Okay, so gold market has been going higher, and the reason behind it, as I've already said, I'm looking at the possibility based on seasonality, we could be getting some big market news coming out tonight, where we will be having decisions coming out from the initial jobless claims, GDP data revisions, as well as the user PCE data, the personal consumptions index. So usually these data could be a very major event, and the news will be released in another 2 hours. So make sure that you guys stay tuned and watch us, and don't miss out on the live streaming sessions, because when we are doing live, we will be guiding you guys towards this big event volatility on the market, guys. Okay, so if you guys wanted to find out more during those big events, initial jobless claims, US PCE and US GDP data, make sure that you guys stay tuned and watch us until the end of our live streaming sessions. Okay, And why I'm very much optimistic on tonight's gold trade, because like I said, I've already expected that gold is forming up a topping phase. And if you guys have been following us, like clap on it, welcome clap on to our live streaming sessions tonight. Happy to see you. And if you're looking at the topping phases, it won't be a big drop on the market. So it will be a big swing volatility, a swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low on the market. And yesterday, I've already seen that there's a huge possibility that the market should be having a swing low. However, we got hit by our stop losses, so we are very open about it. We hit our stop losses, and during my end of live streaming sessions, the signal just hit the stop losses just right after my live streaming sessions. And I believe Jaden has been guiding you guys how to trade, give you guys some guidance and tips how to do the trades. But certainly, if you guys wanted to get the clear versions of our trading plan, make sure that you guys head out our profile, click on that link if you guys wanted to find out more how do you guys could get our free trading signals. And if you guys wanted to get more other than our analysis, you guys wanted to learn how we view the market, you could actually learn with us as well. So make sure that you guys head out our profile, click on the link, and contact us if you guys wanted to find out more other than trading signals, guys. Okay, so our stop losses have been set and target price has already been set. So if you guys are interested, make sure that you guys check out our profile, click on that link, because it's all for free for you guys. And definitely thank you very much. But if you guys love our analysis, and you guys could follow us, so you guys could follow us from Monday to Friday, like us, give us a thumbs up, give us a support. We thank you very much. It means a lot knowing that you guys support our live streaming sessions. And share this video with your friends and family. If you guys know anyone who is trading, certainly this kind of market analysis, market outlook could help them out on their trading side. Let me have a break, guys. And if you guys wanted to ask me anything related to the market, I'm open up for any discussions, guys. So just let me know in the comments, guys. Clap on Ashraf. If you guys have any other thing that you guys wanted to discuss, I'm open up for discussions, anything related to trading, guys. Okay. Alright, I need to have a break, guys. Otherwise I couldn't be continuing talking with you guys. Okay. So, what's next on the market? So we have already discussed about it, and currently we are already in a floating profit, which means on this week we are still slightly in a profit, because on Monday we earned around 450 pips. Yesterday we hit our stop losses and we are down by 50 pips, and tonight we are back towards around 100 pips on profit. It's not a good week for this week, honestly, guys, but we'll see how it goes. We still have Thursday, and we still have today's market movement. Could be a big market movement after the initial jobless claims as well as the US GDP, and we'll see. Tomorrow and Friday could be a good chance for us to make the trades and make some money as well. Okay, so let us check out the other market, silver market. Okay, silver market actually started to rebound. We could be putting some buy signals. So it's actually has been forming on this kind of charts. This. So this could be good signs coming out of the market. On the silver market, you can try to make a buy around here. Put your stop losses just below the low, around $30.25. But if you guys wanted to get the trading signals, type in signals on the comments, and I'll be releasing the signals for you guys. So I'll be putting up a little bit of the entry prices and stop losses, and for the target price, I'll let you guys to decide. But if you guys wanted to get this signal on the trade, type in on the comments signal, guys, because if you guys type in signals and I'm seeing that you guys responded, I'll be giving out some signals on this side of the trades, guys. Okay. Okay, certainly I will be giving out a little bit for you guys. Buy silver, guys. Okay, silver market has been showing some potential, and stop losses should be a bit wide, guys. Okay, entry prices around 31, 30.5. Stop losses just below it. Okay, for target prices, you guys could check out okay. Alright, so we have already been discussing about gold, discussing about silver, and we could actually be making some money out of our trades right now, guys. Okay, so that's been certain. Clearer details of this trading plan, guys. Okay, and it's all for free, so I welcome that you guys check it out. Okay, so thank you very much, Hakeem, for your gifts. It means a lot. Thank you for and our guidance on the market. Who you guys know who is doing trading, certainly these kind of videos, market trading analysis, could be helpful for them. Okay, but if you guys wanted to find out more other than market analysis, other than trading signals, you guys could actually still head out to our profile, click on that link, and you say you guys wanted, let's say you want to learn how to trade, you guys wanted to know how we look at the market, and what is our opinion on other assets such as Bitcoin, Forex. We are also providing those kind of services, so make sure that you guys check out our profile, click on that link so you guys could find out more from us. Okay, and certainly if you guys have anything that you guys wanted to ask or discuss, you can let me know in the comments, guys, and I'll be happy to discuss anything related with you guys. Maybe you guys do straight trade on individual stocks, you guys do trade on the stock indices. I welcome you guys to have a discussions with me related to trading, and I'm open to any opinions from your side, guys. Okay, so just let me know in the comments, and I'll be happy to engage in with the discussions with you guys. So we already shared out signals on gold, signals on silver, and currently we are still in a floating profit right here. So we are doing our live streaming sessions quite early, and on those part we have been sharing the signals with you guys. Okay, so if you guys don't want to miss out on our next signals on our next live streaming sessions, make sure that you guys follow us so you guys won't be missing out on our next trading signals. on the next live streaming sessions, and like and share this video with your friends and family who is doing trading, or anyone that you guys know. Share this video with them so that you guys could help them on their trading side as well. Okay, and certainly we will be discussing a lot of things. We are discussing about market analysis, market outlook, what is the overall view for tonight's market trade, and we also discuss, other than commodities, we also discuss about Bitcoin, stock indices as well. Okay, so I think other than gold and silver, we have already been talking about US dollar index, and I know that maybe some of you guys has just joined us. What is the current outlook on the US dollar index and how we can use it on our trading side? So I'll be talking about the market. You're interested in cryptocurrencies. Okay, so if you guys are interested in cryptocurrencies, I'll be taking a step back. I will be all talking about Bitcoin market, guys, because Bitcoin, it is the biggest market, and certainly, like I said, guys, we have already been actually profiting quite much on our trades on the Bitcoin market, and we have already been sharing multiple signals just to show you guys. We have already been trading multiple times on the crypto market. As you guys could see on this side of the charts, we have already been sharing multiple trading signals from 80,000, 75,000, just to show you guys that we have been discussing cryptocurrency for quite some time, since the early part of this week, guys. Okay, and what is my view on the cryptocurrency market right now? Okay, so the cryptocurrency market, from my view, I'm actually looking at the possibility we could be having a slowdown, especially yesterday's market correction has actually been quite good. So I'll be opening out the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, I think I'll be opening out on the other side of the charts, because this chart has been quite messy. So I've already drawn something on that side. Bitcoin. So Bitcoin market has actually been doing quite well, but I would say market has been going up quite fast, as you guys could see on this chart. So the initial signs that we are looking at the market is we are actually looking after this huge consolidations. So this is the daily time frame charts. So after these huge consolidations, I'm looking at the possible cup and handle formations, and afterwards I recommended to buy here at around 70,000 after a breakout confirming our trades. And since then, we have already been recommending multiple trades here, here, and here. So when it was going up in a very good uptrend line, we have already been recommending multiple times. However, things have taken a turn on the market. Why I'm saying that? Because after going up too fast, it will be slowly correcting down itself for a few moments. Because something that has been going up quite fast, it's usually not a good thing, and market will be slowing down afterwards. And that is the case that right now we are seeing on the market. So as you guys could see, market has been started to slow down, which is, I would say, is a very normal thing to expect coming up from the market. And if it could be back towards this initial 85,000 line or around 90,000 consolidations, which has happened yesterday on the Bitcoin market, could be actually offering us a very good entry point. Why I'm saying that, guys? Because if you guys are, let's say you're buying near 98,000 without any clear plans of your stop losses on how you guys do the trade, it would be very risky for you guys to do so. So on this Bitcoin market, this correction is actually a good sign that you guys could start buying back some around 90,000, 93,000 could be a very good buying point. And put your stop losses just below 88,000, 89,000, just for safety reasons, because we know cryptocurrency market is quite volatile, and if you guys put your stop losses quite near, you guys could get easily hit out by those market movement. So I highly suggest, if you guys wanted to take a look at the cryptocurrency market, and if you guys are late, certainly right now could be a good time for you guys to accumulate some positions on it right now. But the stop losses around 88,000, 89,000 could be a safety mark. And make sure that you guys put in money that you guys could ready to lose. Don't put too much of your exposure in one single trade, guys. Okay. So if you guys wanted to get this kind of trading signals on our site, make sure that you guys check out our profile. We have already given out some signals related to Bitcoin over the last few weeks. And certainly, if you guys wanted to find out more on other market analysis, stay tuned and remember that you guys follow us so that you guys could get notified whenever we are doing live streaming sessions. And if you guys wanted to get trading ideas, trading plan, head out to our profile, click on our link because we are giving out free trading signals just by joining our free channel group, guys. Okay, so make sure that you guys do that if you guys wanted to get trading ideas that you guys could use on your phone right now. And share this video with your friends or anyone you guys know who is doing trading, because we are doing this market analysis, sharing trading signals with you guys daily from Monday to Friday, and you guys could definitely check this out every day. And certainly if you guys have any other questions like Ashraf did, you could let me know in the comments, guys, and I'll be happy to answer any of your questions, guys. Okay, all right, XLM, I'll be happy to help you guys. XLM market. So actually XLM has been moving in a very good market movement. Why I'm saying that? Because XLM has been going higher, but certainly it has just broken out of this uptrend line. So I would say it's been going through some tough times on the market, but certainly it has been offering you guys a very good entry point if you guys are buying lower. Thank you very much, Rose Kings, for your comments. Thank you very much. And we are doing this live daily, guys. Okay, so you guys could definitely join us and ask me anything if you guys want it. Okay, so XLM. So XLM, what has been happening? So it has actually been broken out of its initial downtrend. Okay, so this is the chart. It has been going down for quite some time since the peak at around 2021 until right now around 2023. However, things have started to break out higher when we are seeing this market happening. So if you guys are interested on XLM and if you guys have been buying on the low side, congratulations, it has been a quite wonderful trade. But based on Fibonacci, prices has been reacting quite fast and it has been actually been breaking out higher than that. So it means that prices has been moving quite fast, guys. So Fibonacci retracement has gone through the 4.236, which is the upper channel of it, and certainly we could be trying to find the next resistance by drawing the next Fibonacci line around here. So with that said, XLM still, because someone other shared the screen but no showing face. Okay, maybe you guys are scared being scammed or whatever, but certainly I believe that the guy is still behind it. But thank you very much. Okay, so if you guys look at this chart, XLM has actually been breaking out of its downtrend channel and it has been going up very fast. And actually right now the current price is showing us a very good consolidations, the same as Bitcoin. A lot of cryptocurrency has actually been consolidating, giving out a healthy corrections, just basically depending on the cryptocurrency. So if the cryptocurrency is quite volatile, like I said, XLM has been actually correcting itself by around 20%, but you guys could see it has been rising up by 5 times. So a 20% correction is a very normal thing happening on the market, and afterwards market has been consolidating around here, giving us a very good foundations to buy, especially around this side. You guys could buy, put the stop losses just below 0.39 if you guys are still interested on this trade, guys. Okay, so definitely cryptocurrency market has been going through a healthy corrections, really depending on the market. So let's say like Bitcoin, the correction is quite low because Bitcoin market is quite big in terms of its market movement, and the other trades such as the ones that we are looking at the market, like so as you guys could see, we expected to see some consolidations near 90,000 and we could be seeing some upward market movement later on. Okay. So this is my view. If the consolidation starts to slow down around 90,000, you guys could try to take some positions. Make sure that you guys don't overtrade it and don't put too much exposure in just one single trade. And certainly I'm still pretty much bullish on Bitcoin because Bitcoin is still in a good uptrend, but a healthy correction is necessary on the cryptocurrency market. And we are seeing that right now. After going through these corrections near 90,000, it has been bouncing back even higher, guys. Okay, so if you guys wanted to get this trading idea, make sure that you guys type in signals. I will be giving you guys some guidance where you guys could buy, where you guys could put your stop losses, and I'll be teaching you guys some little tricks how you guys could make up your trades. Okay, so make sure that you guys type in signal, and I'll be giving you guys some tips how you guys could do the trade on the Bitcoin market. But certainly I won't be saying that the market has been quite positive this time, because after a healthy corrections, market won't be going up as fast as the ones that we are seeing over the last 2 weeks. Market will be slowing down, and there's a possibility we could hit stop losses. So I always remind that you guys always put cautious and don't put too much money on one single trade, and make sure that you guys have the money to do trading on the long run, not for the short term, because trading is a marathon and sometimes you hit losses, sometimes you get winners, and the overall result will be in a positive result. Is the most important thing, guys. Okay, so I'll be giving you guys some tips. Okay, so right now we are having a corrections, and I'm seeing consolidations are bouncing back around 90,900. So this is a very good signs coming out of the market. Okay, so what I could suggest, you guys could try to find a good positions, entry buying around 90,000, but certainly we have already been late, so we need to look forward and see where is the next price that could be giving us a good consolidations. So right now, you guys take a look on it. We have actually been going through this, I would say, this minor trend of going higher, and certainly right now could be giving us a very good entry point near 93,000. Okay, so 93,000 could be a very good entry point for us right now based on the charts. If we are being late, certainly 90,000, 91,000 will be a much better entry point, guys. Okay, so with that said, I would be giving a entry point around here. So I would say entry point right now, so I'll be giving out ranges, guys. Okay, so if you guys could buy lower, definitely that would be the much better case for you guys to do so. And stop losses, how you guys determine stop losses? So you guys are trying to make sure that the trades that we are doing don't get hit easily by stop losses, and we try to find the volatility. It stops around 92,000 area. Okay, so we'll be putting our stop losses near 92,000 or even 91,000 depending on how you see the market. Since I'm more of a swing trader, I'll be putting the stop losses near 91,500. And for the rest of the target price, I'll let you guys decide on it. But certainly, any rounded numbers could be a good target price area. Okay, and one more signals. Okay, so there you go, guys. This is our signal, and certainly the ones that you guys could use on your own. Okay, so I hope that how I see the market can help you guys to take a look on the market by your own, and how you guys could do the trades by your own. And make sure that you guys don't risk too much on your trade. Make sure that you guys enter safely on the market. Okay, so if you guys wanted to find out more, you guys could follow us, because we are doing these live streaming sessions daily with you guys from Monday to Friday. And certainly we are talking about market analysis, trading ideas, market outlook, and what the big events that has been happening, and what we can take a use out of those events on our trading side. And certainly I'll be open up for discussions if you guys have anything that you guys wanted to ask related to trading. Maybe you guys are trading cryptocurrency like Ashraf has been asking about, and maybe you guys love to trade Forex. You could also ask me about it. And certainly if you guys are much more interested in the commodity side such as gold, silver, oil, I'm happy to answer any of your questions and open for discussions, guys. Okay, and definitely I know that maybe some of you guys do trade on individual stocks. You guys also do trade on stock indices. You could also let me know and I'll be happy to have a discussions with you guys and help you guys answering your concerns if you guys have some. Okay, so if you guys wanted to find out more, you guys could check out our profile, click on that link for more information, and trading signals definitely would be one of them. And certainly if you guys wanted to learn how you guys could look at the market, you could also actually contact us and say you guys wanted to know how you guys could learn how to find out the analysis like we did. Okay. Alright, so for now I'll be letting the trade run on its own. It seems that prices, entry prices has been given, stop losses has been given, target price you could set it by your own. But if you guys wanted more, I'll be letting you guys know that rounded numbers could be a very good target price, such as 95,000, 96,000, 97,000, 98,000 could be a very good target price area, guys. Okay, so that's one of the key things, because usually those rounded numbers could be actually a good resistance area, and that could be your target price as well. So it really depends on you. Maybe some of you guys are short-term trader, maybe you guys are swing trader like I do, or position trader if the circumstances allows you to do so. Okay, for now let us go back on our main event, main star. I know that if you guys are trading Forex, most of you guys will be paying much more attention towards gold, towards silver, and we have already been sharing some trading signals on gold for quite some time. Prices has been going higher. So if you guys wanted to find out the clear details on the stop losses and target price, make sure that you guys check out our link on our profile. Click on that link so you guys could find out more on this kind of trading ideas, and it's all for free. So don't forget to check us out. And if you guys are new, make sure that you guys follow us, so if we do share out this kind of trading signals with you guys don't miss out on it in the futures, guys. Okay, so make sure you guys do that, and I hope to see you guys also tomorrow as well, like the ones that we are seeing that Ashraf is also here yesterday. Happy to see you guys here, and certainly I hope to see you guys every day, because we are doing this analysis with you guys every single day from Monday to Friday. Okay, so with that, we have already been talking about gold, talking about silver, we have already been talking about the US dollar index, we have also been talking about the cryptocurrency market as well, a few of it actually, and maybe, just maybe, we could be talking about we have actually been talking about the currency market. I think we left out something, guys. Okay, we haven't discussed about the stock market, and stock market has actually been quite well for us for quite some times, guys. Okay, so maybe we could be trying to trade on that and take some look on it as well. Okay. Hi Tipa, nice to see you. Okay, so see, I'm very happy if I see the regular viewers are here. Really happy to see you guys. And certainly, thank you very much for your likes, for your support, and share this video with your families or friends. Certainly, this market analysis could be helpful for them, guys. Okay, thank you very much, guys. Okay. So we have already been discussing a lot of assets. We've already been discussing gold, silver, cryptocurrency market, US dollar index, and right now I'll be talking about the US stock market. So what has happened on the US stock market, guys? Okay, so I think I've already been quite clear on the US stock market. I've been quite bullish, and certainly I've already given out these recommendations that you guys could try to buy some, especially after breaking out higher than that. But the overall trend of the market is very clear. It's going higher, and it looks like they won't be stopping here, guys, okay, because market has actually been bouncing back and even going higher. And certainly we do hit our stop losses when last week we do have Nvidia share their earnings, and we make our big profit when they break out for the very first time around here. And now we are actually getting this healthy consolidations. Why I'm saying it's healthy, because you can see that the market has been actually going quite fast. So this is the initial uptrend that we are seeing on the US stock market. And right now, if you guys pay attention closely, that actually we are seeing good chances that this uptrend could be continuing going higher on the market. So that's why I've already been giving a lot of signals, and it's all bullish, even though sometimes we hit our stop losses. But certainly you guys don't miss out on these chances. Why I'm saying that? Because market has been going higher and higher, and it won't be going down low for now. Okay, so that's why I'm giving out bullish ideas on most of the US stock market, and certainly I've already given out recommendations such as the ones that you are seeing. But we do hit our stop losses again on this side, showing that a lot of volatility has been coming on the market despite the bullishness happening on the market right now. Okay, so with that, we could be putting our stop losses even further for safety reasons, rather than hitting the stop losses quite easy, as you guys could see. Certainly, if you do the trades here, you guys could have been taking some profit targets around here. 44,780, 800 or 900 could be even feasible for you guys to do the trades. Certainly you guys should be buying the US index, okay, because a lot of market opportunities are appearing from that side of the trade, and I don't want that you guys miss out on it, as the ones that we have already been experiencing on the, I would say you guys could have been missing out on several stocks ideas such as the Bitcoin market, and we have already been making profits a lot coming out from the gold market over the last few weeks on November alone. Certainly I hope that you guys don't miss out on this. Okay, so I could be giving out some recommendations. You guys could actually still try to buy around here. Current prices are actually forming what I would say a very good consolidations as well. So this is consolidations right now. They are looking at the market, and for safety reasons, maybe you guys could put your stop losses just below 44,400, so that you guys don't hit out easily like the ones that you guys, if you guys much more of a swing trader, and put the buy positions around 44,800. Okay, because market movement are likely to go higher. It has been closing out a very positive movement, and certainly this correction has been going through, and right now we are back bouncing even higher. So I hope that you guys don't miss out on it. If you guys wanted to get the clear versions of it, okay, so definitely I've been pretty much bullish on it, and I hope that you guys don't miss out on it. And right now I'll be typing the signals on my phone so that you guys could be making some money out of the trades, guys. Okay, because I've already been a very much bullish advocate on the US stock market for quite some times, and I don't want that you guys miss out on it. And right now prices has been going higher than the entry prices that we have already recommended, and we have already put a very decent stop losses on it as well, so we don't get hit easily by those price movement, price swings on it, so make sure that you guys check it out. Okay, so I've already typed it out, and make sure that you guys check it out. Okay, so if you guys wanted to find out more, check out our profile, click on that link so you guys could get these trading ideas on your phone right now. Okay, and certainly if you guys wanted to find out more other than our market analysis, you guys wanted to learn how we trade on the market, how we view the market, certainly you could also check out our site. Okay, how to feign link. Maybe you guys, maybe Arvin, you could explain. I don't really understand how to feign link. Okay, all right, Tipa, gold high chance going high. Certainly guys, because I've already been talking about gold for the first time. Actually, I always start our discussions by talking about gold first, guys. Okay, so I've already been sharing our signals, and I already put up the stop losses and target price on our link. So if you guys wanted to get this clearer version of our trading plan, make sure you check out our profile. But I've already given out the analysis Tipa. Certainly market has been bouncing back from the swing low, and right now we are swing higher. And certainly tonight we have a big news coming out from the US market, where we will be having a US initial jobless claims, we will be having a US GDP data, and also we will be having a US PCE data as well. So certainly I've already given out there could be a huge volatility, and one of the best things that we are looking at the market right now, there's a good chances that based on seasonality until the end of this week, gold market could be very much bullish. Even though seasonality we couldn't really interpret it, oh, it's a green candle as you guys could see on this low side, but certainly we could be getting a lot of volatility, and from the market movement that we are right now seeing, it could be going higher based on the market movement that we are getting right now. So that's why I'm pretty much bullish on it for tonight. Yesterday I was bearish for yesterday, so it really depends on how the market reactions and the market setup that is really offering us. And we are currently in a floating profit by around 500 pips for now. So if you guys wanted to find out more, make sure that you guys check out our profile, click on that link so you guys don't miss out on our trading signals. And if you guys have been following us and joining our live streaming sessions, and you guys don't want to miss out on our next trading ideas, make sure you guys follow us, like us, give us a support, give us a thumbs up. It means a lot to us. I've already been seeing the support given out by you guys. Thank you very much. And share this video with anyone you guys know who is doing trading, because I believe market analysis could be helpful for them. Maybe some of you guys love to hear other people's analysis regarding the market without really looking at the trading signals. I welcome you guys to share this video with anyone that you guys know who is doing trading, because I believe sharing is caring, and certainly helping other people to hear other people's analysis could be helpful for their trades, guys. Okay. And certainly if you guys wanted to find out more other than market analysis, trading ideas, certainly you guys could contact us, and we can try to help you guys to learn how to trade, how to view the market. And certainly you guys could check out our profile, click on that link, and say that you guys wanted to find out more other than trading ideas, and you guys wanted to learn how to trade. Okay. Okay, so we have already been going through gold market, and I believe we have already been touching about silver market, even though silver market has been quite slow. But overall, we have already been entering trades at quite low prices. We entered the prices when it was around $30.46, and prices has been going higher and higher. And I already given out the analysis. We are actually quite on the low side of it on the silver market, and that's why I've already given out a buy signal on the silver market as well, mimicking the movement on the gold market. So actually everything has been quite bullish for tonight, especially I said tonight we have a big market event. Okay. So if you guys wanted to find out more, make sure you head out there. And if you guys have anything related to trading, and you guys are interested to discuss it with me, or you guys are concerned about your trading, you can let me know in the comments, and I'll be happy to discuss it with you guys together and find out solutions and try to solve your trading problems, guys. Okay, so make sure that you guys stay tuned, because I will be continuing these live streaming sessions with another trader later on, so you guys will be updated when the big news event will be coming, and Jaden will be accompanying you guys how to trade on the big volatility market later on as well. Okay, what about GBP JPY can go long? Okay, so let us take a look on it right now. And for you guys who are interested on gold, silver and Bitcoin, I'll be back with that, so make sure you guys stay tuned. I know that maybe some of you guys usually run away when I discuss about other products, but don't worry guys, I'll be back on the charts, guys. Okay, so what has been happening on the GBP JPY market? So I think I've already been pretty clear on the market for quite some time. I've been giving a lot of sell signals for the last 3 to 4 weeks, guys. I haven't discussed it quite some times, but certainly on the market, GBP has been actually quite weakening. That's the case, and the weaknesses are even going down further on the market, showing that GBP has actually not been doing very well. And if you guys open up on the currency strength charts, we are seeing that GBP market has been quite weakening for quite some time, as you guys could see on this chart. So GBP has been quite weakened against the Japanese yen market, and we know that there's a possibility that the Japanese yen carry trade has still been ongoing. So that means that a lot of people are trying to cover their shorts on the Japanese yen market, and certainly that could be a bearish news for people who are trading against the Japanese yen. And there's a lot of volatility coming up from the market, but overall we are seeing that GBP JPY should be going lower on the long run. Because why? We hit the upper channel of this uptrend, and we are likely to hit the low again around here, especially over the last 4 to 5 days. It has been actually going down on a big volume, and it has been showing us any signs of reversal or anything that is meaningful. So, and certainly I'm seeing this topping phases forming up right now on the charts. So this could be actually the make or break of the GBP JPY market. So be cautious of it, TIPA, because I'm looking at the possibility it could be breaking down lower. And I'm not only just noticing it just on the GBP JPY trades, I'm actually noticing on almost any trades that is against the Japanese yen market. As you guys could see, I'm actually looking at the topping phases forming up on the Canadian dollar Japanese yen. Australian dollar Japanese yen is also the same case. We are actually seeing a lot of topping phases, and most of the recommendations that I've been giving out against the Japanese yen over the last weeks have been quite bearish, guys. Okay, even the US dollar Japanese yen is also the same case, where I've actually been sharing out multiple signals on sell signals over the last few weeks. As you guys could see, sell signals, sell signal, sell signals against the US dollar Japanese yen. So it means that the strength is back on the Japanese yen market. So I'll be highly suggesting that you guys don't go long. I know maybe some of you guys are doing tradings on the sideways ranges, try to buy the low, sell the high, but certainly this time it seems different, and maybe you guys could try to find other currency pairs to trade on the sideways area, guys. Okay, I hope that helps you, TIPA, but certainly I'm looking at a topping phase at most of the Japanese yen trades, guys. And certainly the strength coming up from the Japanese yen market is still there, so could be taking quite some time before we are seeing a rebound on the market. Alright, so we are still bullish on the market, and we have already been entering the trades at quite early prices. So if you guys don't want to miss out on this kind of trading signals in the future, make sure that you guys follow us, so when we are doing our live streaming sessions, you could be getting the trades. However, I know that some of you guys, I wanted to trade right now, where I can find one. So you guys could actually find one by checking out our profile, because we share a lot of our trading ideas, trading plan on our Signal channel. So make sure that you guys check out our profile, click on that link, so you guys could find out more trading ideas that you guys could use on your own right now, guys. Okay, alright, so we have another 10 minutes before my live streaming sessions end, and it will be continued by my partner Jaden, who is another trader from our site, and he will be accompanying you guys to trade with you guys together, because tonight we'll be having a big event news: US initial jobless claims, US GDP, US PCE, and certainly that could be making a really big market movement coming out on the market. So I hope that you guys don't miss out on it, and stay tuned for the next trader who will be accompanying you guys, giving a lot of analysis as well to you guys. But certainly his style and my style is different. He's much more of a smart money concept guy, so fair value gaps, liquidations, and all of those stuff, which I don't really understand much. But certainly if you guys do trade on those smart money concepts, you are welcome to follow us. And certainly he will be giving you guys some guidance on how to trade, where he will be also sometimes doing live trading with you guys. Okay, so make sure that you guys do stay tuned and watch us out, because we'll be giving you guys golden nuggets, informations, and insights on the market. Okay, so let us check it out on the market. We have already been trading almost all the currency pairs, and I certainly hope that you guys have been able to find something that suits you guys. I know maybe some of you guys, I want to trade Forex. Okay, I've already been giving out Forex trades. I want to trade commodities. I've already been giving out commodities trade. I want to trade cryptocurrency. I've already been giving out cryptocurrency ideas as well. I want to trade stock indices. I've already given out. Okay, so any of your requests, any of your thoughts, I think I have already discussed it with you guys, and I certainly hope that you guys don't miss out on it again. But certainly if you guys wanted to find out more, that you guys something that you guys could use on your phone, on your trading ideas right now, check out our profile, click on our link so you guys could join our Signal channel, and it's all for free, guys. Okay, so I hope that could help you right now for your trades. And we have already done our market analysis, so if you guys are late and you guys don't want to miss out, make sure you guys follow us, because if you have followed us, you will be notified when we ever do our live streaming sessions. And like us, share this video with your friends and family who are doing trading. Certainly market analysis, market insights could be helpful for them, even though they do trade with their own trading ideas. And I welcome any one of you guys to do any discussion. So if you guys have anything that you guys are concerned on your site, you guys could let me know in the comments, and I'll be happy to check it out and discuss with you guys. Okay, so just let me know on the comments, and I'll be happy to answer any of your questions, guys. Okay. Okay, so I'll be giving you guys a little bit of recap after near my live streaming sessions, and later on Jaden will be also accompany you guys how you guys could trade on it, so don't worry. But certainly I'll be giving you guys a little bit of update on the trading ideas that I've already been sharing with you guys, so you guys could get some ideas how you guys could go on after my live streaming sessions. So if you want to get more market analysis, trading ideas, you guys could right now check out our profile, join our free Signal channel. And if you guys wanted to get more other than trading ideas, you guys want to learn how you guys view the market, how you guys could trade on the market, you can certainly check out our link and say that you guys wanted to find out more how you guys could learn how to trade as well, guys. Okay. So we have already been doing these live streaming sessions for almost 1 hour and 25 minutes, and in another 5 minutes I'll be handing over to our next trader who will be talking about the market with you guys again. So make sure you guys stay tuned and don't miss out. Okay, so like I said, there could be a little bit of volatility, and I suggest you guys could be patient, try to enter at lower prices, guys. Okay. Certainly prices will be consolidating near 93,000, 92,500, so it will be around there, and I've already given the necessary stop losses that could not be triggering easily if the market is going through a big volatility and then it rebound back higher. So if you guys wanted to find out more signals right now that you guys could use, make sure that you guys could follow us so you guys could check out our market analysis every day from Monday to Friday, and share this video with friends and family who are doing trading so that you guys could be making money together with us, and certainly get some analysis from our site, and give us your likes, give us a thumbs up, so we know that you guys love these videos, and I've already been receiving it a lot from you guys, so thank you very much. But if you guys wanted to find out more, okay, so if you guys wanted to find out more, you can definitely check us out on our profile and join our free trading channel, and it's all for free for you guys. Okay, so you guys could get a lot of insights of trading ideas that you guys could use on your phone. Alright, so it will be almost my end of live streaming session, so I'll be giving you guys a little bit of recap of what we have already been discussing on the market. So overall, we have already been discussing about the US dollar index, we have already been discussing about gold, silver, US stock market, as well as Bitcoin. So I'll be touching on every point of it, and maybe if there's anything required, I'll be letting you guys know that you guys could use. Okay, so gold is still going higher, and I don't think I'll be changing much on the stop losses. So maybe if you guys put top losses around 2640, like the ones that we have already been sharing on the link, you guys could find out more on that side. And certainly the trade's still going higher, going very smooth, and we are seeing good chances that market could be going higher. Okay, so I hope that you guys don't miss out on it, because we are joining this trade in a very early side. We have already been entering the trades for almost an hour plus, so I hope that you guys don't miss that out. And I think on the silver side, it has been the same thing happening on the market. So silver market, we have already been entering the trades quite early, around $30.46, 47 cents, and we have already been actually making money out of the trades. And I won't be changing the stop losses because I expect a bigger market volatility coming out from the silver market. So I hope that for the trades that we have already done, I won't be changing much of the trades, because I've given out the necessary bigger stop losses that is necessary for every single type of product, so you guys don't get hit easily by the stop losses as well. And next, we do discuss about the New Zealand dollar USD. I said the possibility that the market could be bottoming out, especially every time we are seeing that the New Zealand dollar index has been hitting the lowest side of this chart. So every time we hit the low around here, it's bouncing back higher, hitting the low around here, bouncing back higher, hitting the low around here, bouncing back higher. And this actually could be our chance, and based on seasonality, we could be seeing market could be rebounding on the New Zealand dollar USD, especially coming out from the New Zealand dollar side. It has released a rate cut which has been quite earlier than people expected, so this could be actually the beginning of the reversal on the New Zealand dollar USD. And next, we have been touching into Bitcoin as well. Certainly, like I said, Bitcoin market has actually been going very fast, and we have already been sharing multiple signals with you guys, so I'll be just rearranging it. It has been quite messy, I believe, and certainly we are still very much bullish on it. That's the case, and I hope that you guys could be making some trades. If you guys have been following us, I hope that you guys have been making some money on our trades. If you guys haven't been making money, I understand. Maybe you guys are new, welcome, and I have welcomed you guys to follow us so you guys don't miss out the next trading signals. But certainly I've given out some trading ideas that you guys could use on your own on this side of the trades, guys. Okay, so I've already given out the trades, and I don't think I'll be changing much of this stop losses. So I'll be letting the trades run on its own. If we hit stop losses, it means that market shouldn't be going any higher. Okay, and the last thing I do discuss with you guys is the US30. US30 has actually been behaving very well. I've already given out the target price, and if you guys wanted to find out more, I suggest that you guys could check out our profile, click on that link, and it's all for free for you guys, so make sure that you guys check it out. And if you guys wanted to learn how we fuel the market, certainly you guys could also learn with us. You guys could check out on the link and say that you guys wanted to know how you guys could look at the market, and certainly I could help you. And if you guys have anything that you guys wanted to ask, you can ask the next trader who will be accompanying you guys on our market analysis, because tonight we'll be having a big event news coming out from the US initial jobless claims, out of the US GDP data, as well as the US PCE data. So there will be a big volatility, and prices should be going higher. And just based on this trade, I believe that you guys have been making money on gold, on US stock market, on silver, on New Zealand dollar USD, and certainly the trades are still running on the New Zealand dollar USD. So certainly for the prices that I've already been giving out to you guys has been very helpful, and hope you guys get some ideas how the market has been going and how you can use on your trades as well. So I hope I can see you guys tomorrow, because we'll be doing these live streaming sessions daily from Monday to Friday, and I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Thank you very much, Ashraf, for your likes, for your support. It means a lot. Thank you very much, because we know that there is someone out there loves what we are sharing to you guys. Okay, I hope to see you guys tomorrow, and we'll be continuing these live streaming sessions, guys, so don't rush out to leave these live streaming sessions, and it will be continued by Jaden. Okay, so I hope to see you guys tomorrow. See you.
Oh, okay, so let's begin today's live session. So I will be talking about what is really going on, and will be emphasized on yesterday what we have been saying, and we'll be continue analyze the market. Okay, so right away, let's talk about what we have been talking about yesterday onwards. Yesterday, we have been telling you guys that gold market is apparently it's going higher. So first thing first, we have been identified our fair value gap. Later on, I'll be talking much more details about it. But right away, we can see that the market has been breaching through our area. Apart from that, we also seeing that what the dollar index is going lower. So yesterday, if you still remember, as I already mentioned, why we already mentioned that dollar index is going lower. So we already seeing that dollar index from here onwards is grabbing a liquidity above, so rebalancing back, and then after that, the price has been going on the lower side. So dollar index is also on the right side. And apart from that, we have been doing long positions on the stock indexes. If you still remember, we have been continue doing long positions on the stock indexes. So this is our proof, and we'll be continue doing it as far as we can know about it. Okay, so we already mentioned that this is a really good positions, and we'll be continue doing long position on the stock indexes. So if you do really wanted to know more about it, please give us a like and subscribe, and we'll be continue giving you the latest insights and the latest informations. So if you do really wanted to have much more trading opportunities, or if you really wanted to know more about it, give us a like and subscribe, and we'll be continue giving you the latest insights and latest informations. So right away, let's talk about what is going on. Okay, so right away today, let's talk about today news. So today, one of the biggest news is the New Zealand. So we can see that USD has been going higher. Okay, this is not a really good thing. So why? Okay, so let's talk about why that the New Zealand USD is going higher rather than going lower. Okay, so today we have the biggest news. One of the biggest news is that the New Zealand has been dropping their rates. So we can see that New Zealand has been dropping their rates. So New Zealand central banks has been dropping their rates. Dropping rates. Okay, dropping rates about 50 basis point. Okay, so it's about 50 basis point. And what does it really matters? Okay, so what Okay, do you guys know what does it mean by dropping rates? Okay, even though a lot of people expect it's saying that if dropping rates is definitely helping on it's definitely creating a really drop of value on the New Zealand pairings, and New Zealand pairings will be continue going lower and so on. But even though that New Zealand has been dropping rates, but that really helps on few of the sector. One is that helping on the economic growth. So economy it's growing. Okay. So economy is growing. So right away, we can see that New Zealand has been saying few of the things. One is that the inflation rate has been remaining to 1 to 3%. So this is actually a really good thing. So we can see that the inflation sites has been dropping to 1 to 3%. So inflation has been remaining to it's about 1 to 3%, that kind of area. So we can expectations that in the near future, remain inflation has been dropping down. Other than that, we also can speculations that saying that employment sites has been also dropping as well. Okay, employment demand. So we can see that employment demand it's also dropping. So employment demand it's also dropping. Okay, so employment demand has been dropping. Then this what will be causing on? This will be causing that the economy it's going lower. Okay, so because of the demand has been dropping, inflation remaining has been 1 to 3, and also the supply has been continued to increasing as well. So inflations will be in the future will be dropping. So because of that, New Zealand has been dropping to 50 basis point, and expectations that in the near future the economy will be growing back. So because of that, we can speculations that in a short period of time, New Zealand pairings is definitely going lower. So we can go back to the New Zealand pairings, and we can see that it's actually going on the lower side. So going back, you can see that once the price today onwards, the price is actually dropping first. So you can see the price is actually dropping first. Going back, you can see the price is dropping first, and then after that, it's going higher. Okay, so why that the New Zealand USD is going higher? Okay, one of the biggest reason is that the dollar index is going weaker. As I already mentioned, the price has been reaching through the major resistance area, and we already speculations that the price it's definitely going lower. So this is also one of the reasons. But in the near future, we can speculations that New Zealand USD might be going on the lower sides because why? As we already mentioned, New Zealand, it's probably continue reducing interest rates. The United States, US might be remaining on their interest rate decisions. So because of that, New Zealand USD in the short period of time or in the longer time frame, we are speculations that the price it's going on the lower sides. So from this point onwards, we can speculations that price on a short period of time, it's actually getting a retrenchment. Okay, so let's go through by one of the technical analysis. So let's go back to one of the technical analysis on the New Zealand pairings. Okay, so I will be giving you a directions, but if you do really want more details about on the live sections or some of my live analysis, you can join our Telegram group in the bio sections. So remember, if you do really enjoy it, please remember to join our Telegram group in the bio sections, and I will be definitely giving you much more details about it. Okay, so maybe everyone it's can't see so clearly, so I'll be using another thing to analyze us, and let's see people will be much more interested. Okay, so I'll be using another thing to analyze. So let's see about it. Okay, so let's see. I'll be using this as our reference. So let's go back to the New Zealand USD pairing. So we'll be using candlesticks and going back to the New Zealand USD. Okay, so going back, as I already mentioned, price is actually going through one by one. So let's go to analysis on the New Zealand USD pairings. Okay, so as we already know, we need to do a top-down analysis using the bigger time frame. Okay, we need to use the smaller time frame aligning with the bigger time frame. So because of that, let's use a bigger time frame. So from the daily perspective, let's see how it really goes. Okay, so from the daily perspective, as I already mentioned, let's use a much more bigger time frame. Okay, use weekly. Okay, so from the weekly time frame, we can see that the price. Okay, let's use much more higher 1 month. Okay, so monthly should be fine. Okay, so from this point onwards, we can see that price is actually wanted to push higher from this. So you can see that the price wanted to push higher from this, but the price has been failed on. It's remaining lower, so we can expectations that the price is actually accumulate this what we call the volume or liquidity area. So we can speculations that the price is actually accumulate, and what we already mentioned before, this is what we call the balance area. So what does it mean by balance area? As I already mentioned before, balance area is actually a so what is actually a balance area? Balance area is actually a bit those people agreeing buying and selling in the same price so that the price is actually going through a range area, passive buyer and passive seller. So this is actually accumulate some the liquidity and also the volume. Okay, so from this point onwards, we can see that the market is actually accumulating and also going through a balance area. Okay, so the price is actually going high, and then the price has been failed to go high because the price there's a lot of liquidity, a lot of resistance, or you can say that a lot of supply. It doesn't matter, but it matters is the price is actually going on the lower sides. Okay, can I ask something? Yes, you can. If you have any question, you can ask on the comment section below, and we'll be gladly answer your questions if you do really wanted to know more about it. Okay, so remember, if you do really like our content, please remember to like and subscribe, and do remember to follow our content about it. And if you want more our signals, you can go to our bio sections and you can get more about it. Okay, why lately the market is very slowly? Okay, this is one of the good questions as well. So you need to know that market have a seasons. Okay, market has a sections. Okay, no matter you are using the daily sessions, the daily sections, the hour sections, there's always a sessions, including on the monthly. So I'll be explaining about why that today the sections is really slow. Okay, one of the biggest reason is that the market is going slow is today is end of November. So this week is actually last week of the November. So you need to know that usually the last week of the month, market volatility will be greatly reduced and will be forming some kind of balance area. Okay, so for example, going back to let's go to one of the pairings. Maybe we can go to SPX. Let's go to the stock indexes for example. Okay, so from this, okay, so this is the monthly candlestick. Okay, so you need to agree with that is that this is the monthly candlestick. So monthly candlestick is that will be including 4 weeks. Okay, so 4 weeks will be 4 weeks will be building a one monthly candlesticks. So going back to the weekly, you can see that. Okay, the market usually this is the fourth week, third week, second week, and the first week. Okay, so usually the market volatility will be happening on the first and the second. Okay, and then the third or the fourth week usually will be going a ranging area. Okay, so going back, you can see that this is also the same. Okay, fourth, third, second, first. Okay, first, second, and third, fourth. So we can actually expectations that the stock indexes is probably going through a ranging area or maybe going through a rebounds back. And after that, in the first week, it means that the starting of December, the market will be going through a bullish momentum. So you need to know that every market, every seasons have their seasons. Okay, even though daily, okay, daily candlesticks. So for example, the daily candlesticks. So going back, we can use gold market as example. Okay, so let's see a gold market example. Okay, using a daily candlesticks, we can use 4 hour for example, and we can put an indicator saying time zone. So for example, time zone market sections. So for example, pressing this, you will be there's a time sections and giving you thoughts about what is the sessions right now. Okay, for example, going back to the 1 hour minutes, 1 hour sessions, you can see that the this is the Sydney, this is the London, this is the Tokyo, and this is the London. So usually the ranging sections will be happening on the Sydney and Tokyo sections, and the volatility sites will be happening in London. So you need to know that every time frame have their own volatility. So if you're asking right now why the market volatility is quite less, I can answer you that is that today or this week is actually last week of November. So the market is going through market balancing. So what does it mean balancing? Balancing is that the market is accumulating or selling in the same price and then wait for the imbalance. So what does imbalance means? Imbalance means that the market will be rather to use a higher price or maybe a lower price. So you need to know more about it. Okay, so let's see what's the questions about it. Okay, bullish will be continued on December in 2025. Okay, that's true. So if you do really like our content, please remember to follow, like, and subscribe. And do remember that we have our signal group at the bio sessions as well. And yesterday onwards, we have been giving a lot of signals. Okay, we have been giving stock indexes, cryptocurrencies, and so on. But if you want much more details about it, you can go to our signal. You can go to our what? So you can go to our so follow, like, and subscribe. Okay, remember to follow, like, and subscribe is the most important thing. So follow, okay, like, and subscribe. So remember to follow, like, and subscribe. And still remember that today is actually a Black Friday. So if you wanted to buy trading view, today is the day. It's about 70% on the premium sites. So if you do really wanted to, remember to buy it right now. Okay, if not, I think it's quite expensive. Okay, so remember to follow, like, and subscribe, everyone. Okay, so let us put it here red color. So remember to follow, like, and subscribe, and we'll be continue doing live streaming every day. So live streaming every day, and do remember that we'll be doing Monday to Friday. So Monday to Friday we'll be continue doing on live streaming. So remember. And if you do have any questions, remember that you can ask me at the comment section below, and I'll be answering that as well. So will be UK time 11 to 2, so 11 to 2 p.m. Okay, 11, 42 p.m. So remember, if you do really like this, please do really join us. Okay, join our signal group at the bio sections. Okay, bio sessions. Okay, hopefully you do really join us because we do give out really high quality setups. Okay, so let us see, is there any questions left? Okay, yesterday one of the people is asking me, one of the people is asking me what is going on the cryptocurrency market. So let's go through the BTC USD. So yesterday we have been giving out some of the analysis as well. So let's see. So BTC USD. So BTC USD, as I already mentioned, okay, let's see through the bigger time frame first. Okay, let's see through the bigger time frame. So let's see through the bigger time frame and going back to the weekly time frame. So from the weekly time frame, what we can see, okay, market has been, as I already mentioned, the price usually will be forming a balance and imbalance. So what does it mean by balance and imbalance? Okay, balance is mean that the people is agreeing to buying and selling in the what they're agreeing of the price. So usually when will be happening when the price has been reaching through certain resistant area. Okay, so this is what we call the price of discovery. Okay, so once the price has been imbalanced, price of discovery, then the price will be forming some kind of ranging to balance that kind of area. Once the balance has been formed, then will be imbalance, and then imbalance has been formed, then next will be finding what? Next will be discovery, price of discovery. Meaning by that is that from this point onwards, we can expectations that the price is actually forming some kind of ranging area from the next couple of days. Okay, so why? Because right now we can see that cryptocurrencies BTC perspective has been almost reaching through 100k. I remember that the price didn't really reach through 100k, and then the price has been going on the lower sides. So because we can't see any details about this information, so we need to use a much more smaller time frame. So from the daily perspective, what we can't see much. So I'm definitely using a 4-hour time frame. So for 4-hour time frame, as I already mentioned, the price from here onwards is going a balance. So the price is actually balanced and then impulse. So right away, yesterday we already mentioned that the price will be going through 90,000. So if you have been watching through our live streaming, we already mentioned that yesterday cryptocurrency BTC USD is much more likely to go back to the 90,000, that kind of area. So from this point onwards, my expectations that the cryptocurrency perspective, it's likely to go a ranging area because you can see this is what we call the liquidity swap going down and going low. So it's quite likely that the price will be reaching through a ranging area, maybe around this area, maybe. Okay, once the price has been reaching through this ranging area for quite some time, maybe 1 or 2 weeks, then the price will be reaching back towards outwards and maybe going back to the 100k positions. So right now, I'm expectations that the BTC USD it's going through a ranging area. So it's likely to go through here. So if we are thinking that the Bitcoin is going through a ranging area, what can we do? We can use this volume profile. So you can type down, you can use this volume profile to see where's the biggest volume. Okay, so let me try to find out. Okay, so you can see that we will be using here as our reference. So going back, okay. So you can see that the price is forming a volume area from here. I think we need to use a much more smaller time frame. Okay, let's use a 50-minute time frame. So let's see. Okay, so from this point onwards, we can see that there's a lot of volume from here. So we won't be doing buy or sell from here. We definitely will be doing around this area. Okay, so I'm expectations that the price is forming a volume area here. So ranging will be coming from here to here. So this is the 70%. So I'm likely to do shots around 94.5, that kind of area, and expectations that the price will be likely to go through this ranging area from the short period of time. Okay, so because this is the standard deviations, meaning by that is that its price is more likely to reach back to this balance area. So if I'm doing shorts, I'm rather to use this less volume area. And once the price has been reaching through maybe around 94.7 to 94.5, 95, that kind of area. We'll be doing shorts and will be expectations that the price will be likely to reach through 92% because what we know that this is what we call the standard deviations. So standard deviations is means that the mean price, meaning by that is that a lot of people is agreeing buying and selling in this place. Okay, so this is uh standard deviation -2 or -1. Okay, and then this is -1 as well. So we can see that the price usually will be forming back to this. So if I'm doing short positions, I will be rather to do shorts maybe around 94.5 or 94.7. Okay, so if you're thinking to do analysis. Okay, so we are thinking that the cryptocurrency is going through a ranging area, and also this week is actually the last week of November. So we are likely to see a ranging market. So don't try to expect that the market will be going bullish or bearish in the short period of time. So remember, if you do really like our content, please remember to follow, like, and subscribe. It will be doing live streaming every day. Okay, so remember that if you do really like our content, so remember to follow, like, and subscribe, and we'll be continue doing the best informations and the best details about you, letting you guys know. So remember to join our signal group at the bio sections because we are giving out 5 trades per day, 2 to 3 days trades a day, and our win rates is quite high. So I think it's around 2 to 3 trades. So if you do remember, okay, we'll be giving out 2 to 3 trades per day. So 2 to 3 trades per day, and our winning rate is quite high as well. So if you do really wanted to know more about it, please remember to join our signal group. Okay, so remember to join our signal. Okay. Mm. So remember to join our signal group so that we'll be. Okay, so remember to join our signal group on the bio sections. Okay, so follow, like, and subscribe for live streaming from Monday to Friday, UK time 11 to 14, and join our signal group on the bio sections. Okay, so we'll be giving out 2 or 3 trades per day. So if you do really enjoy it, please give us a like and subscribe. Okay, so let's see what does everyone look through GBP JPY. So okay, let's go through the GBP JPY. But if you do really like us, please remember to follow, like, and subscriptions. Okay, so going back right now, we can see that the market is actually going through a range area. Okay, so going back, we can see and go back to what we call GBP JPY. So let's see GBP JPY on this perspective. Okay, one of the people has been calling me to analyze GBP JPY. So let's do a GBP JPY analysis. So going through GBP JPY is actually going through. Let me see. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, so from this point onwards, my speculations that GBJPY it's likely to go lower because we can see that the price is going a balance, imbalance, balance, and imbalance. And once the price has been reaching through this oversold area, then the price is going back to what we call this liquidity. So you can see that the price has been going through this balance area. So once the price has been going through this balance area, we can speculations that the price is going back and going through and going back to this area. So we can speculations that I'm much more thinking that the price is much more leading to do long first because the price has been verified this support and price has been reaching to this. So actually the price is forming a rebalancing area. So from this point onwards, we can speculations that price is forming a rebalancing area. So from this, I'm speculations that the price is probably reaching through the level from here. So you can see that this is the volume and the price is forming back to this area, maybe from here. Okay. Let's see. Okay, this is a level and reaching to okay. So we can expectations that the price is going back to this level. Okay. So from this point onwards, this is our supporting area, and we will be speculations that the price will be slowing down from this point onwards. So from this point, we can see that and expectations that the price might be slowing down and the price will be going back towards upwards, but not right now. To be honest, we need to see some confirmation first. I think that it's probably take some time about it. Price need to form some kind of support. Only then the price will be going higher. So if you still remember, we yesterday has been saying that we will be doing long positions on the AUD USD pairings. So today we'll be preparing to give out one of the trading signals is AUD USD. So if you do really want to know how we do trades, press a one. Okay. If you do really want to know how do we do trades, press a one. And if you wanted to more analysis part, you can go to our you remember to follow, like, and subscribe. Okay, so follow, like, and subscribe, and live streaming from Monday to Friday and UK time 11 to 2. And we'll be also doing join our signal on the bio sessions, and we'll be giving 2 to 3 trades per day. So if you do really wanted to give us a try and give us too much more about it. Okay, so right now I will be giving out one of our live trading sessions. It's AUD USD. Yesterday we have been giving out stock indexes, and stock indexes is probably going on the higher sides. So right now let's go through the AUD USD pairings. Okay, so AUD USD pairings, and let's do a top-down analysis about it. Okay, AUD-USD pairings is much more likely to go on the higher sides. So going back to the daily time frame, we can see that the price has been actually forming some kind of support area from this point onwards. So you can see that price is actually forming this supporting area. The price has been reaching through this 50%. So you can see that the price has been reaching through this 50%. So closing out, and we can see that the price has been marking up and has been closing above. So from this point onwards, my speculation is that the price is likely to close higher to this candlestick, or maybe even higher to this. So today is Wednesday, Tuesday, and Monday. So I'm my speculations that this is the lowest of the week. So going back to the weekly time frame, you can see that this is the lowest, grabbing liquidity, failed to break lower. So because of that, my speculation is that AUD-USD is probably reaching through the lowest. So lowest, then we need to use the time sections. Okay, so lowest, so where do we do trades on? Okay, so from this point onwards, we can see that the price from here, 55, 26. Okay, so from this Sydney area, so Sydney price pressing low, going back, reaching through this low. Yeah, I think we can actually do long positions from here and trying to do a positions. Okay, so let us do a positions right away. Okay, I'm thinking that we actually can do a long positions right here, putting our stop loss, maybe reaching back to this low. Let me see for a second. Okay, the price is actually liquidating off from that, and this is might be the lowest of the week. So reaching by that, I think we can actually do a long positions right away. Let's put let's see how many lot size do we do from this point onwards. So if we do, I think we can put one, yeah, 1.5. I think we can try to do a 1.5. Preparing to blast off. So speculations that the price is likely to go back to the higher sides. So maybe we'll be reaching back to let's get at least 1 to 5. Let's get to this is 4. get to 1 to 2. Okay, likely to see that the AUD is going long. So this is our second trading opportunities. So if you do really like it, please remember to like and subscribe. So yesterday we have been giving out stock indexes. Stock indexes might take some time. Okay. So stock indexes might take some time, but nonetheless, we are speculations that the price it's more likely to go higher. Okay. So if you do really like our content, please remember to follow, like, and subscribe, and we'll be continue giving you the latest insights. So remember to follow, like, and subscribe, and we'll be giving out the latest insights. So we have been giving out trades from the AUD pairings. So if you do really wanted to know more about it, please give us a like and subscribe. So one of the questions is, where do you learn how to trade? Uh, One is that you need to study the markets. Okay, this is really important. You need to study the markets. Every markets have their own volatility on movement. So for example, gold volatility is much more higher. So you need to know what time is suitable for you. With every time, every financial products have their own volatility. So you need to get used to it. Once you get used to it, then you'll be knowing how to trade on based on the volatility and then strategy and so on and so on. So study the market and contributions to your screen time, then you will be gaining some way. Okay. But if you wanted to know more about it, you can try to get it from our live streaming sessions. Live streaming sessions, we have been giving out free educations and also free trading signals as well from our live streamings. But if you wanted to know more about it from our signal group, you can go through our you can go through our signal group at the bio sections, at our TikTok bio sections. You can join it, and we have 2 to 3 trades per day. But if you are quite skeptical, you can try to join first and see our trades. Is it good, or whether or not are you comfortable with it? You can analyzing yourself and see is it suitable for you. Okay, but I recommend you can just join first. Okay, so remember to follow, like, and subscribe. Live streaming from Monday to Friday, and besides of that, join our signal group at the bio sections. Okay, so remember to give us a like and subscribe. So remember, we have been giving out one of the trade is AUD and we are likely to see AUD it's going higher. So if you wanted to know more about it, please do remember that we'll be giving out trading opportunities and also trading decisions. So I think that the one of the first thing you need to know is that what is your trading philosophy? How does the market works, and how does the market not works, and so on. Okay. So remember to follow, like, and subscribe and giving out these trades. So right now, let me telling you one of my best strategies and so on. So let me telling you on the gold market. Okay. So from the gold market perspective, we already mentioned that we are likely to see short positions from the fundamental perspective, and from the fundamental perspective, and also from the technical perspective. Okay. So remember to join our signal group at our signal bio sections. Okay, so right away, let's talk about the trading opportunities on the gold market. Okay, so from this example, we can see that the market is actually rebalancing. Okay, going back, going low, and reaching to where? Reaching to this weekly fair value gap. So you can see that the price is actually going back to this fair value gap area. So this is quite obvious that the gold market is reaching back to this level. And then once the market has been reaching to this level, what can we see? The market has been rebounding, wanted to push higher. Okay, so going back, we can use the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, what we can see is that the market has been reaching to where? Okay, reaching to this area, the resistance area. Okay, so the price has been reaching to this balance area, and then after that, where we can expect the price is actually going back to this balance area. So from this point onwards, we actually expectations that the price is going back to this level. Why? Because this is what we call the imbalance area. So from this, we can see that yesterday we have been showing you guys that this is our point of interest. So you can see this is our point of interest that the price will be going lower. See, you can see that this is what we call the point of interest. So you can see that this is the value area, POC or point of control or standard deviations. It depends on how do you talk about it, but you can see that the price has been reaching through and going back to this level. Okay, so once the price has been going back, then we will be using the footprint. Okay, footprint is actually you need to upgrade to the premium. Only that you can try to see it, but footprint is actually giving you the details about what is really going on in the inside candlesticks. So let's see about the market, and this will be giving us a really good confirmations. Okay, so from this point onwards, what we can see, okay, the market is pushing higher and higher. The delta is continue to positive, 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 positive imbalance, continue to push price to the higher sides. So you can see pushing on the higher sides. But right here, we can see that the market has been creating a imbalance phase around 2650. We can see that the market has been forming a imbalance in 2650, and we can see that the price is having a really high volume from this area. Okay, so you can see that this is a really high volume from this area. So meaning by that is that the market is actually rather to push the price to the lower sides. So from this 4 hour candlesticks, we can see that the market is actually struggle to going higher. Okay, so how do we get confirmations from this indicator or in this volume indicator? We can get it by seeing the delta. So you can see this is the really good example. Okay, once the price is actually negative delta, so from this we can see that this is actually a what we call divergence. So it's likely to see that the price will be closing lower from now. Okay, going lower, only that the price will be going higher. If the price is forming positive and this is the red, meaning like that is that this is a positive delta and positive divergence, and we will be speculations that the price will be going higher. But from there, you can see that the price didn't really go higher first, reaching back and creating this low, going back to this imbalance. And then once the price has been forming this imbalance, and then the price has been continued going higher. Okay, so from this point onwards, we can see that the price is actually forming imbalance from here and from here to here. So the price is actually forming a battling from 2650. So we can see that 2650 is actually a really strong resistance or really high volume area. So if you are thinking to do trading opportunities right now, don't try to do short or long on 2650 because it's likely to didn't giving you a really directions place. So let's see. Okay, so we can see 2650 is around here. So we can see that the market is actually forming here, reaching back. So my expectations is that the price is going lower, but we need to have a confirmation first. So if the price do really close below from this point onwards, I will be trying to do shorts on the gold market and speculations that the price will be continue going lower. Actually, my bias of the week, if you still remember, it's doing shorts. So if you are still remember, we already mentioned that we are likely to do shorts. And if I'm doing shorts from here, my speculation is that the price will be at least reaching through maybe around here, 2625, that kind of area. So if I'm doing shorts, I'm probably aiming this kind of area. Why? Because this is what we call a point of control and it's likely to controlling back to this level. Okay, so if you do really like our content, please remember to follow, like, and subscribe, and we'll be giving you the latest insights and latest informations. Okay, so remember, if you do really like it, give us a like and subscribe. But from this point onwards, we can see that the price is struggling from 2650. If you want to much more details about it, you can go to a 50-minute time frame and see to yourself. Okay, so you can see that the price is actually forming some kind of struggling. Okay, the price is positive, and the delta it's continue going lower. From this point onwards, the price has been going lower, and we can see that this is the high level node. So this is maybe giving us a really strong bearish momentum from here. So if the price do really reach through 2652, I think 2652 to 2651, we can actually wait for a short positions, and maybe we can put our stop loss to 56 and getting on the lower sides. And this is actually giving you quite a place to see that where is the high volume area, where's the imbalance, exactly the imbalance area, and how does the short and long from this kind of situations. But from this point onwards, we can see that delta has been increasing. From this point onwards, has been decreasing. So we can see decreasing, decreasing, and this is the negative delta. And after that, the price has been showing a really good imbalance from here, shorting out. The price want to go higher but fail to go higher. After that, the price has been going on the lower side, and we can see that price is likely to reach back to the imbalance area. So if I wanted to do shorts, I'm probably waiting for 5.1 to 5.2, and I will be doing shorts from that point onwards if I really wanted to. Okay, so but today we have been giving out one trade per day already. But if you wanted to know more about it, you can go to our live streamings, our signal group. So remember, if you do really like our trading positions, I mean trading ideas, please do remember to give us a like and subscribe and follow us. The live streaming from Monday to Friday, UK time 11 to 2. Follow, like, and subscribe, and join our signal group at the bio sessions. So remember, two trades per day, live streaming Monday to Friday, and we'll be giving you the latest insights. So from this, we can see that the price is actually going back to 5.1 to 5.2. So if you do giving to a really good thoughts about it, give us a like and subscribe, join our live streaming sessions, and also join our signal group at the bio sessions. So remember, if you do really like our content, please give us a like and subscribe. So let's see from the gold market perspective. So let's see going back, and let's go through back to the 50 minutes. So let's see on the 50-minute time frame, and you can see that the market is actually forming some kind of, okay. So you can see the market is, okay. So you can see that the market is actually forming this imbalance, reaching back, and the delta has been decreasing, reaching back to the lower sides. So if I really wanted to do shorts, probably doing back to around, as I already mentioned, maybe 51 to 52, because we can see that this is actually a strong imbalance area. So from here to here, and speculations that the price of gold is probably going on the lower sides from the short period of time, maybe at least reaching back to 446, 43. So because you can see that this is the imbalance area, okay. But this is really less volume, so if the price do really close below, it's probably closing below this level. But if you do really like our content, please give us a like and subscribe. CHF and JPY. Okay, so let's do analysis to CHF to JPY. So let's show through CHF JPY. So CHF JPY, let's go through the weekly time frame first and see what is going on. CHF JPY, it's likely to go on the shorter side. So let's see. Price has been reaching through all-time high, is it? Yep, I think it is. The price has been reaching through the all-time high, and we are likely to see some kind of ranging area from my perspective. So going back, and let's see from the monthly perspective. Okay, price has been reaching through, going back, and this is what we call an order block. So we can see that the price has been reaching through this order block area, 50%. So once the price has been reaching through, we will be speculations that the price is forming some kind of lower sides. So you can see that this is what we call the balance area. So if you're asking me, I'm thinking that the price is going on the lower sides and reaching back to this balance area. So the price is actually breaking through, rebalancing, and going on the low sides. So if you're asking me right away, I will be giving you doing shots is much more nicer. So doing shots is much more beneficial right away. So CHF JPY is much more leaning to go on the short positions. So you can see that the price is actually going through on the low sides. The price is balancing, rebalancing, going here and going on the downsides. So probably it's doing shots, okay, and the price is likely to go through this area. So yeah, I'm thinking that it's probably doing short is much more beneficial. So remember to do short positions, okay? So I'm thinking that the price at least will be reaching back to this level. Okay, the price will be at least reaching back to this level. So once the price has been reaching through, this might be giving us a rebound. Once this rebounds, I think that we can actually positions ourselves, do a short positions, and then the price is going lower. So if you're asking me, I will be much more leaning to do shorts. Hopefully that really helps you. Okay, so if you do really have any questions, feel free to answer or ask any questions on the comment sections below, and I will be happily answer your questions. So remember, if you do really enjoy our live streaming sessions, please remember to give us a like and subscribe. And remember that we will be giving out good trading signals, live streaming sessions from 11 to 2. Follow, like, and subscribe, and join our signal group at the bio sections. We'll be giving out 2 to 3 trades per day. So if you do really enjoy it, please give us a like. So remember to give us a like and subscribe. So reaching that, you can see that the price of gold is actually going on the lower side. So as we already mentioned, we have been giving out this, and we already mentioned that price of gold, it's actually going on the lower sides. Okay, so you can see that the price of gold, it's going on the lower sides. So reaching two, and the price is going on the lower. Okay, so from this point onwards, we actually have some informations from this footprint. We already mentioned that we have a really good informations that the price is going lower. But if I wanted to do shorts, I will be rather to do shorts on 51 to 52, and speculations that the price is going on the lower sides. Maybe at least to 43. So will be speculations that the price is going to 43, and you can see that how does the price react from this point onwards. Okay, so let's see. So if you do really like our content, please remember to follow, like, and subscribe, and do remember to give us your support. So remember to give us a like and subscribe, and we'll be giving you the latest insights. So remember to follow, like, and subscribe. Okay, so remember to give us live streaming Monday to Friday. Follow, like, and subscribe. Join our signal group on the bio sessions, and we'll be having 2 to 3 trades per day. So remember to give us your like and subscribe. Live streaming Monday to Friday, UK time 11 to 2. Follow, like, and subscribe. Join our signal group on the bio sessions, and we'll be giving out 2 to 3 trades per day. Hopefully that really helps. Okay, so from this point onwards, we already have mentioned that there's a really high volume from here, from the daily perspective. If the price do really close below, then the next day I will be probably doing shorts on the gold market, and the gold market is going lower. So from this point onwards, the price do really reach through this imbalance, but didn't reach through 68, but the price is reaching through this 4-hour range. So we already mentioned that we are likely to do shorts because from this area perspective, so you can see this is the imbalance using the volume profile. So from this point onwards, we are actually expectations that the price is going on the lower sides. Okay, so will be expectations that the price is going back to the lower sides. Okay, hopefully you do really enjoy our live streaming sessions because we have been giving thoughts and time behind of it. And remember, we just need your follow, like, and subscribe. And if you do really want to join, we have join our signal group on the bio sessions, and we'll be giving out 2 to 3 trades per day. We just now we have been giving out AUD USD. So if you do really wanted to do more on our signal group, you can join our Telegram group. We will be giving out much more trading signals using the daily and giving you much more profits behind of it. So if you do really interested, please remember to join our Telegram group. Okay, so remember to join it and give some thoughts about it. Okay. Okay, so remember to join our signal group on the bio sessions. Okay, so right away, as we already mentioned, the price is actually giving us a really strong impulse. Now the price is rebalancing, and you can see that there's a really big volume from here, volume of here, and the price is actually forming this. So we can expectations that 645 to 650 is actually a really resistant area. If the price do really close below, then we will be speculations that the price of gold market is probably leaning to go on the shorter sides. So you can see that the price is actually leaning to going on the shorter sides. Okay, so from this point onwards, we are speculations that the price will be going back to 43 or at least 43. Okay, so from this point onwards, if you do have any questions, feel free to ask on anything. We will be giving out much more details on trading opportunities and also trading signals and so on. So if you do really give us a like and subscribe, that is a really good thing about it. So remember to follow, like, and subscribe, and we'll be keep on giving you the latest insights. So remember to follow, like, and subscribe, and we'll be giving you the latest information. So follow, like, and subscribe. Join our signal group on the bio sessions, 2 to 3 trades per day. Okay. So I think goal is quite obvious. We already mentioned that we will be looking through 51 to 52. So let's see how it happens. Okay. Any tips for beginners? Okay, this is also quite a good question. What is recommendations for the beginners? Okay, the first thing first, if you are a beginner and you really wanted to try trading, there's a few things you need to be aware of. One is your psychology, and the next thing is that what type of trader do you wanted to are you wanted to trade for full time, or are you just wanted to a passive income? Okay, once you decided from this, you need to decide which part is likely it's more suitable for you. So trader is like it's like online game in the real world. So for example, in online game we have a lot of jobs. We have assassins. Okay, we have assassins. We have warrior. We have maybe archer or some sorts. But in trading world, we do have the quite a similar thing. So for example, assassin, I might be saying that this might be uh, I mean scalper. Okay, so you can see that it's scalper. Warrior, I can say it's a swing trader. So if I'm a archer, I might be a day trader or some sort. Okay, because you need to be much more precise. So this is actually quite similar. You need to see which job is actually quite suitable for you. Okay, so this is the online game perspective. You need to first thing first, you need to really know what is going on. Okay, you need to know what is going on the financial markets, and then after that you need to find which it's much more suitable for you. Are you wanted to be an assassin, warrior, or archer? So meaning by that, it's another word. Are you wanted to be much more scalper, swing trader, and day trader? Scalper is much more leaning to much more shorter term, basically in and out in a couple of seconds. And swing trader, you need to hold your positions much more longer, maybe around 2 to 3 days, or maybe even a week. Day trader is basically just trading daily. So I'll be closing my trades per day. So it's called day trader. It depends on your needs from this. Once you have this, then the next is trading plan. So in trading plan, you need to know that what is your trading plan? What is your trading strategy and trading plan, and what is your trading philosophy, and so on. But the beginner informations that I really can recommend is that just try to know what is going on from the market perspective. So, for example, you need to know that what is going on. Okay, right now, U.S. election just ended. So, what is the market sentiment? Okay, because market move is based on sentiment. Okay, so what does it mean by that? Market move is based off the pre-sentiment. So, for example, that once the U.S. elections has been end, the next thing will be what? Will be much more focusing on the Federal Reserve, will be reduce interest rates or decrease interest rates, and how they determine is by the data that will be announcing soon. So, for example, this week PCE price index, and so on, so on. So you need to really know what is going on in the real world. So you need to know what is going on. After that, what you already knowing that, then you can know which of the financial product you can choosing from. So, for example, this week we have been announcing on the PCE price index, and it's likely to be higher than expectations. So we can expect that the dollar index it's likely to remaining strong in a short period of time. So from that onwards, I will be having some clue about what trading products I will be trading on. So for example, I trade stock indexes. Like yesterday, I'll be trading stock indexes, and then I'll be trading on AUD USD because I'm thinking that the economy is going strong and so on. So you need to know what is going on from the market perspective, then you can know what trading position, what trading products you are going on. So for example, AUD USD, I'll be doing long, and I just keep at holding, and I will be thinking it's probably suitable. So maybe I can. Oh yeah, oh yeah. So from this, okay. So you can see that we can actually just do long on the UD pair USD, and we can just do long on stock indexes because I've already mentioned that we are quite bullish from these two pairings and we are likely to see long positions. So you need to know which of quite suitable for you, but if you really wanted to learn from it, you can just watch our live streaming because our live streaming basically just give you a really good information about what is really going on. And after that, you will be getting clues about how do you want to do trading and so on. So hopefully that really helps your questions. And but if you do have any questions, feel free to answer and also ask the questions below at the comment sections, and we'll be gladly to answer your questions. Okay, so going back to this gold market, and let's see how does the market reacts. Okay, so as we already mentioned, 50 minutes. So going back to the 50 minutes, and let's see. Okay, so the price is actually forming some kind of support from 43. Is it 43? Nope. So we already mentioned we will be facing a really strong resistance about 52. So let's see how the price react from 52, this kind of area, 52 to maybe around 53, 52. So you can see that the price is actually forming a resistance area from here. So this is volume proof frame is actually giving you a really good signs of where is the imbalance. So you can see that this is actually the imbalance area, and the price is likely to face some kind of resistance because this is what we call the pressure area or the volume area. And this is what we call the imbalance as well. So we might be facing some kind of resistance from here, and maybe speculations that the price will be falling below. But we need to have a much more information behind of it as well. Okay. So remember, if you do really like our content, please remember to follow like of live trading sessions. Okay, so remember, if you do really enjoy it, please remember to follow, like, and subscribe. Okay, so follow, like, and subscribe, and we'll be giving you the latest informations. So live streaming Monday to Friday, UK time 11 to 2, and also, oh, okay, this might okay, so follow, like, and subscribe. Live streaming Monday to Friday, UK time 11 to 2, and join our signal group at the bio sessions. Okay, so if you really wanted to know more about it, you can just follow, like, and subscribe. And we'll be announcing on 2 to 3 trades per day if you do really like it. Okay, Okay, so right here, as we already mentioned, the price will be facing some kind of resistance area from this area onwards. So we might be expectations that the price will be facing some kind of resistance around. See, you can see that the price has been facing resistance around 62. So you can see that we already mentioned that the price is facing 62, and you can see that this is an imbalance area. Meaning by that is that the market is really bearish on it on 52. So if you just listen to me, I think you will be enter a really good entry level. Okay, really like our content, please remember to follow, like, and subscribe, and we'll be giving you the latest insights. And so, if you do really like it, please give us a like and subscribe it. Okay, okay. So right away, let's talk about other pairings. So let's talk about the what we call any pairings else. Let's see. We can go through New Zealand USD, no, GBP USD. Let's go through some of the financial product. Let's go through one of my friend's favorite, the USDT. Yep. Thinking that the price is actually facing some kind of resistance and might be forming some kind of rebalancing back to the lower time frame. So my speculation is that the price will be forming some kind of balance from here, and I'll be doing long positions on the lower sides. Okay. So, but the cryptocurrency market is actually quite hot as well, and we already speculations that the price it's likely to go higher in the near terms. Okay, so let's go back to the gold markets. So if you do really like our content, please remember to follow, like, and subscribe, and we'll be giving you the latest insights and informations. But giving us a really strong resistant area, so we are likely to around 52 to 52 to around 52 to going on the lower sides. So if I'm doing shorts position, maybe around here, and let's see how it happens. Okay, so maybe put my stop loss 55, and speculations that the price will be going through 43. If you do really like our subscribe. Okay, so if you do really like us, please remember to give us a like and subscribe. So from this point onwards, we are speculations that the price is going on the lower sides. And going back, so we have been profits right now 100 USD, but speculations that the price is going higher and the dollar index is probably going on the lower sides, as I already mentioned before. So if the dollar index is going lower, where is it? Where does it go? Going back to the lower sides. So why I saying that the dollar index is going lower? As I already mentioned, the price is actually forming a rebalancing here and rebalancing back to this level. So once the price has been rebalancing out, and then the price will be going on the lower sides and reaching through this area. So we can see that we are actually quite on point with it. And crude oil perspective, we already mentioned that it's probably going on the higher sides. Yesterday, we have been doing long in this area. If I'm not mistaken, we have been doing long in this area. Okay, and we'll be also getting 90 pips, that kind of area. And then the price has been going back to the what we call this level. So you can see that the price is actually going back to this volume area. So from this point onwards, we can see that the market is actually manipulation, displacement, and going back to the internal to the external range. So we can actually do long as well. Maybe we can putting our stop loss below and getting back to the above this area. Okay, so our speculation is that the price will be continue going higher and leading to go on the high sides. So if you do really like our content, please remember to follow, like, and subscribe, and we'll be continue giving you the latest insights and the latest informations. Okay, cryptocurrencies is probably ranging around 93 to 95. 93 to 95, and also the stock indexes, dollar index is going lower. Let's see on the gold market. Gold market is actually forming some kind of resistance from here, going back to the 50 minutes, reaching through 52, price going on the lower sides, fail to go back. Yep, maybe here it's a really good point, few shots, but price momentum is quite strong, 52. So let's see on the market momentum. 52 is actually a really strong volume, and this is an imbalance area. So we can see this is actually a really strong resistance area. Okay, so footprint is actually giving you a really good information. And if you want more this information, you can actually just subscribe the premium and you can get it. Okay, if not, I think this is quite hard to get from what I know that tomorrow market close. No, I don't think tomorrow market close. Tomorrow is holiday. Let me go check it out. Okay, tomorrow a holiday? No, I think that tomorrow market it's going a low liquidity area. Maybe the US market closed, but the gold market, anything markets has been continue forming. So yeah, probably going through some kind of ranging area of some sort. Oh, it seems like this is a low volume area. This imbalance can't really go through. Price is actually fighting on. Tomorrow is Thanksgiving, everyone. Okay, so hopefully everyone do really learn something and do give us your supports. Remember, if you do really want more about it, give us your like and subscribe and follow us. We'll be giving you the much more details about it on how to do trading and also giving you the latest informations. So if you do really like us, please give us a like and subscribe. Follow, like, and subscribe is much appreciated. Okay. So from this point onwards, 52 is really a strong resistance area. Price might be actually facing some kind of pressure, buying pressure, but we need to have a confirmation first. Once the confirmation has been formed, then we are likely to see the price to go on the higher sides, on the lower sides. But from this, we can see that the price forming here, closing below, and then after that, the price is showing signs of going higher. So from this point onwards, doing long is probably the most 2628. So let's see 2628. So go through, we can see that 2628. 2628. back 2628. Yeah, around this area. But price has been reaching through, uh, facing a ranging area. Let's see how it happens later on. Dollar index has been facing back, and we will be continue doing longs on the AUD USD pairings, but it might take some time, okay, to be honest. So if you do really like our content, please remember to follow, like, and subscribe. We have been giving out live trading sessions and live trading sessions. So if you do really enjoy it, give us a like and subscribe and follow us, and we'll be continue giving you the latest insights and latest informations. Okay, so remember to give us a like and subscribe. Hey, Euro USD. Okay, let's go through the Euro USD pairings. Euro USD pairings, I remember yesterday we've been saying that the price is much more likely to go back to the high sides. Why? Because we can see that the market is actually forming from here, reaching back to this, and the price has failed to break on the lower sides. So from this point onwards, we can expect that price is much more leading to go back to the high sides. So you can see the price it's going back to the top sides. So from this point onwards, we can see that the price is closing above. So if you're asking me, I'm definitely thinking that the price is closing above. You see that the price from here, okay, rebalancing up from here. So you can see that this is actually the rebalancing phase. So once the price is rebalancing from here, you can see that the market is going higher. So my thought is that the to this level, okay, it's likely to reach back and breaking out to this area. Okay, so probably doing long positions and wait for the price to reach through this area, maybe around 1.05287, and then I'll be continue doing long and do so. But if you're asking me, my favorite trading right now, it's probably AUD USD, AUD USD, and also the stock indexes. Okay, as I already mentioned, stock indexes is probably going on the high sides. So if you do really like it, please give us a like and subscribe. Okay, so please give us a like and subscribe, and we'll be continue giving you the latest insights. Go hit SL. Okay, go hit SL. Let's see the gold market. Think that the gold is actually think that the market is actually going a range area here. But yeah, just now we just mentioned that we'll be doing long, but I didn't really enter yet. So let's see on the market right away. Okay, right true. Okay, the market is actually forming some kind of volume from here. From the short period of time, the price is actually forming ranging area, forming some kind of support. Seems like the market wanted to go higher from the 1 hour perspective, reaching to going back. Price maybe finding some kind of rest. 54 to 55, 54 to 55. So let's see. Going back 50 minutes. Yeah, price to really go through breakout, continue going higher, going back. Let's see from the 1 hour perspective to 4 hour perspective. This is the 4 hour perspective, so likely to use on the 4 hour perspective. And let's see. Seems like the market wanted to push higher, to be honest. Yeah, but to be honest, I will be probably waiting for some confirmation first. Only that to do shorts right now because the price. This is a low risk trade. Okay, the first thing first that this just now we have been saying that this is a low risk trade. What does it mean by low risk trade? Low risk trade is mean that the risk reward ratio is quite good, but the risk is quite quite low. So meaning by that, if we just do shorts on 52 and we just put our stop loss 55, we will be losing 3. And if we gain lower sides, I think we can get to 1 to 5 to 1 to 3. So this is what we call low risk trade. But right now, I'm thinking that the market is actually pulling higher and maybe facing some kind of ranging area from here. So from that, I'm thinking that I'll be probably using 4 hour time frame. Let's see how does the footprint telling us. But the footprint is telling us that the price is actually pushing higher and higher. So in a short period of time, seems like not a really good doing short positions right away. But nonetheless, we have been giving out two trades from the AUD USD and the GBP USD pairings, AUD USD and the stock indexes. So everything it's actually on our sites. So if you do really enjoy it, please give us a like. I think we have been giving out two trades, AUD USD and also AUD USD and also the stock indexes. So if you do really enjoy it, please give us a like and subscribe because we already mentioned that the dollar index is probably going lower. And the gold market, we might need some time for it to wait for the price to react, and then only that we can try to do short positions. Okay. This might take some time. Okay, so if you do really like our content, please give us a like and subscribe, and we'll be continue sharing you the latest insights and the latest how do we do trading. Okay, today we have been giving out AUD USD, and now I will promise you I will be giving out one trade per day. But if you wanted to want more about it, you can go to our Signal group. Okay, Signal group will be giving out every day 3 trades per day. Okay, we have been giving out 3 trades per day. So if you do really enjoy it, please give us a like and subscribe. Okay, so remember, we'll be follow, like, and subscribe, and 3 trades per day, 2 to 3 trades per day, and join our Signal group at the bio sessions. So if you do really enjoy it, please give us a like and subscribe. Go market might take some time about it. Okay, so let's see for time frame. Candlesticks turning down, breaching through, going out, imbalance, pushing the price higher, repeating on sites. So price reaching through, going back, rebalancing up from here. Okay, maybe even here, then the price has been continue going lower. This is a really strong bullish candlesticks. Maybe the price will be reaching through around 66 to 66 to 63. Let's see how the price react. 66 to 63. Okay, so remember to follow, like, and subscribe. We'll be giving you the latest insights and latest informations. We have been giving out trading signals and we have been profits. So you can see that right now, this is a real account, everyone. Okay, we have been trading right now and expectations that the price will be likely to continue going higher and will be continue to gain information behind it. So if you do really like us, please remember to give us a like, subscribe, and follow us, and we'll be definitely giving you the latest insights and latest informations. Okay, so hopefully you do really enjoy it, and after that, we'll be giving you the latest uh, technology about it. Okay, we have been giving out 2 trades, and right now it's profits, and probably the price will be continue going higher sides as well. So okay, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Give us your, ask questions at the comment sections below, and we'll be gladly to answer your questions. Okay, remember, we will be giving out live trading sessions, live trading signals, and so on, and we'll be also giving you insights on how to become profitable trader as well. Okay, So, and if you want more trading signals, you can also go to our bio sessions, and our bio sessions will be giving out 2 to 3 trades per day, and will be definitely keep on giving out and giving out. Okay. So remember to give us a like and subscribe and follow us. Okay. This might be some problem. Maybe I can adjust it maybe to this. Will it be better? Okay. Okay. Yep. Adjust it so everyone can see much more clear. Maybe around here. Okay, so hopefully everyone do really enjoy our trading sessions. We already mentioned that dollar index is going lower because it's rebalancing back to the downsides, and this might be giving some kind of strength on the gold market. But from the imbalance perspective, we can see that the price is facing a really strong resistance around 60 to 63. So we can expect that the price might be reaching through that area, but to be honest, I will be much more conservative on the gold market perspective. I will be likely to wait much more information. Only that I'll be doing shorts. As I already mentioned, I'm much more leaning to do shorts. So I will be waiting for the price to give us some much more confirmations. So for example, AUD is one of my, I like to trade it because it's giving us a really good bias, and we are likely to see the prices going higher. So hopefully that really helps you. So if you do really enjoy it, please give us a like, subscribe, follow us, and we'll be giving you the latest informations. Okay, so remember, if you do have any questions else, give us a comment section below. If not, we'll be ending our live sessions in about 2 minutes. Okay. So let's see, stock indexes probably a really good trading, but we might to consider a few things. One is the swap fee. Swap fee might be one of the factors might be decreasing your profits. But nonetheless, I think that stock indexes is probably going higher. Cryptocurrency is probably reaching to 95. Then we'll be going through a range area, but let's see how it happens. So yeah, I think that everything product is going higher because dollar index is going lower. So gold is actually going higher and reaching through maybe around 963 to 62. But let's see how it happens. Okay. So hopefully that really helps you and giving you thoughts about it. Okay, sell or buy? Probably buy if you want to ask me right now. Okay. But if you do really wanted to know more about it, you can join our signal group. Remember to join our signal group at the bio sessions. Okay. We will be giving out 2 to 3 trades per day, and we'll be doing live streaming every day from Monday to Friday to 11 to 2 p.m. in UK time. So remember to join our signal group at the bio sessions, and remember to 2 to 3 trades per day. Okay. So remember that, and we'll be continue giving you the latest insights and latest informations. Okay, so hopefully you do really enjoy it and give us much more likes and supports. Okay, so, okay, I think that's all for today because there's no much of the people. So, if you do really like us, remember to follow, like, and subscribe, live streaming every day from Monday to Friday, UK time 11 to 2, and join our signal group at the bio sessions. Hopefully, we can see you by tomorrow and happy trading. Okay.